Really shitty Drake. Oh no, they didn't. That's a good one.
That one's movement speed, isn't it? Movement speed. Oh shit, my nigga, what are you doing?
I don't know. Fuck.
I thought we were going bottom.
I'm adventuring.
Dude,
okay.
I'm coming. Cause I can jump to his barrels and kill him with the jump.
Well, that's cool.
It's cause like as soon as I jump, it's honestly not the jump that does it. It's just as soon as she jumps, like she has a faster auto attack.
Oh yeah.
So it's like almost instant. It's just like. Yeah, camping Gangplank is just good in general, though. Honestly, it's easy. I don't know. What's he gonna do? Is he literally like he can't eat an orange while he's in the air? An orange can't force him to the ground, right?
Yes, I do. Actually,
Do
no.
they really?
That's not true. He can eat it while he's in the air, but nothing. Okay. I don't really want to invade this.
I'm not actually. I will help you just in case you do. I will throw a dagger and then I will walk away.
This used to give armor.
Oh shit,
But now
nigga.
it's just really gay.
So plank is middle. The plank is middle.
Shit plank.
Yeah. Look, he's.
You want to make him stop?
He's back. I'm gonna make him stop.
Gotcha, bitch.
Alright, I actually have to back now.
He's been using his Q to minion spawn, dude.
It's alright. I'll be behind a second. He's gonna come back. He's gonna recall.
Come on, dude. Minions are already mid. Please.
Yeah, but he's not middle either, so it's actually just okay. Nobody's in the lane except for the top. Like, we made it at the exact same fucking time.
I got this without smiting.
Because good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I said because good, actually. Yeah, let's go with that.
No quarter for the wicked.
Jarvan's supposed to be really good in the jungle right now, too.
He doesn't have flash, so this is gonna hurt him.
Oh shit, tower, please. I lose this.
Wow.
I just fucking lose right there because tower is fucking god.
I'm coming. Dude, I see it. It's beautiful. I have a little bit of speed boost with heal, too. Oh, hey. Donkey.
You got him. You got him.
Oh,
You got
wow.
him. You got him.
He just walks away.
You got him.
I don't think I threw my standard far enough. But how about mid? Can I get that instead?
We can try.
I'm behind his tower.
I got him ignited. No, he's fucking fine.
I kind of know
tried.
he's ignited.
Now and forever.
I thought you were gonna come in on that, so I just feel dumb.
I can't kill anybody. I don't have ignite. Oh, shit!
Oh my god.
Alright. Now I have to live. 5, 4, 3. Look at all this space! Shit.
Yeah, that really sucks for me.
I did my best, but I gave so much space.
Who dares defy my will?
I thought you were coming in, so I went ham as fuck.
I mean, technically I was in. I was just, oh my god, dude, he has my double buffs. I want them back. I want them back.
Yeah, no, I can't.
You're
help
not
you with
really
that one,
dumpstering
you
this
know.
guy, like you said you would.
I would, but then you didn't come in, and I died.
Peter. Let's get him. Go, go, go.
Do you got this?
Yeah, I got my buffs back.
The orange.
The
I didn't want to
orange.
take. I legitimately was trying to wait so you could. Yo, hey! You just want to get this guy too? My little pony.
Yeah.
Quarter for the wicked.
Hey, Donkey Man. He's really
Is he
fast.
gone?
He's so gone.
He's just gone.
Protect the faithful.
I might get this guy. They can't go back in the lane, which means they know I'm here.
I'm so sad. He's already got chained because fucking that unfortunate turn of events.
Stand with me, brothers and sisters.
I need help.
Yeah, it does actually look like you need
What?
so much fucking.
How did you get away?
Is the donkey gone?
Fuck.
Is he gone? Is he gone?
Fight
Mhm.
greater foes.
Is he gone? Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, son of a bitch, my flash is wasted. My heart is broken. Let's just kill this guy because I'm fucking here now. I need to get something for this.
You have to.
Game plan golden. I got your double buff.
Oh, that's nice. That's actually real nice. Isn't that nice?
Yeah. These buffs are just never going away for anybody.
I'm about to get them back.
Are you really?
Yeah, they're all go back up again. I have the increased buff timer on.
They're gonna burn. They might even actually burn up before I can. So, what should happen here is you should just gangplank with ult gun, and he's gonna push because you know he's ahead of me.
Ours is but to do and die.
Okay, I'm coming mid. Did you just cancel your ult?
No,
Dude,
I
I'm
hadn't
on the
even used
fucking
it yet.
way.
I'm not able to ult yet. Yeah, it's all you, dude. I guess it's not.
I'm gonna get my
I
buffs
said it
instead
was-
of taking.
I was gonna say, do you want this slime?
I want this first.
God damn it! Report Heckrim. He took your double buff.
Hey, what?
He
You
took your double
shitter!
buff. It was under the tower. I don't know what you wanted me.
For my father, the king.
I should have ignited him. That's what I should have done. I'm bad. Reported.
I have ulti.
I mean, so that's just like an automatic win any gank, right?
Most of the part, yeah.
Just go ahead and give him the Demacia right now. Just a troll.
Like this?
A good day to die.
No, don't actually do it. I mean, you can, I guess. Oh shit, you really did. Okay.
Oh shit! Fuck. Ah!
Yeah,
Fuck.
I'm at 6. Now I am.
I didn't get him with my Well, you got this lane, right?
Yeah.
This is
I
a half
should.
health Hecarim and a no health bitch clank.
Yeah, I'm almost tempted to dive, but Hecarim might have his ult, and then I'll just be sad.
Yeah. They didn't get my double buffs
This time.
this time.
I'm just gonna act like I'm terrified. And then I'm just gonna fucking kill him. See, now that I'm caught up, I will literally just do this. Or I should, I don't know. He's got the 8. He's got a lot more farm than me, so maybe not. I haven't farmed at all. I've like roamed this entire game. And I'm about to do it some more. Just in case you can't get dunked. I'm coming.
You filthy cunt.
No quarter for the wicked.
I still think I'm gonna
Go ahead.
actually go for it. I don't know. Oh shit! There's 3 of them coming. There's 3 of them coming. You better get the fuck, son.
Oh, I'm dead.
Can you?
I did my best. You could probably kill him. You ain't killing
I don't
shit.
think
You're
so. They
exhausted.
have heal. I'm just sad here. Oh my god. They had heal.
And exhaust too.
God damn it. That's just what I needed. The thirst is too real. Gameplay's like so far ahead of me right now.
They killed their
too.
ADC for free, so our bot lane might just win us the game.
Maybe. Our top lane's just winning.
Top lane's winning because Singed hasn't been top at all. I ganked him
Yeah, no,
once.
he just comes,
and
he
he
just comes
quit.
everywhere.
I ganked once and he was like, "Nah, this is bullshit."
The master, now and forever.
Motherfucking level
I'm the
1.
same. I've literally been running around so much. I'm the same level as you. Just fucking smack him in the
That's what I did.
face. Damn, I was really thinking I was gonna fly in that. Hey, when he comes back, you just want to go on.
Yeah. He probably has flash by now.
If he comes back.
Hey!
Yeah, he's
hey,
coming
hey.
back. Fucking
Pretty value if I've
No.
ever seen it.
no fucking chance. God, look.
What's that? Can we get that?
Quarter for the wicked.
That's a carry, man.
It is a
That's-
carry.
That's
I have my
huge
ult.
carry. Oh shit.
I'm coming.
Feels bad for me.
Here we go.
Feels bad for me right now.
I got one.
I just pressed R. I did so much to them. But it's not going to be enough because our carry is like forever away and there's 3 of them.
You know. It's okay. Our top lane is doing top lane things.
I have 20 farm 12 minutes into this game. I'm never in my lane.
Oh,
I'm always doing dumb shit with you.
it's called ganking.
Find me greater foes.
I don't think I'm supposed to be ganking. I mean, I'm under level to gangplank. That's it. I'm the same level as everybody that's not gangplank.
Our Kale is level 10, you know.
Demacia, now
Oh.
and forever.
Oh, that's not fair. She had a lane to herself. I mean, look at what the Singed is building. Okay.
Kind of feel like he gave up a long time ago.
I was legitimately so fucking terrified of getting hooked that I flashed it.
This guy is so sad right now.
Oh, dude, he feels bad. He thought he was gonna pick Gangplank middle,
He thought-
and he was gonna have a good time.
yeah, because, you know, Gangplank is good against mids, right? I mean, not really. But he might think
Yeah.
that.
He's been watching too much Tobias Fate. It's his diamond streamer that plays Gangplank every game. Middle top. I mean, like he just plays Gangplank. Just fucking pick Gangplank. That's his motto. Just fucking pick Gangplank. Nothing else matters. Just fucking pick.
I am coming, Kale.
This guy's so sad. So is this one.
There's no tower there. What the fuck?
Yeah.
It's-
Rip Hill.
Oh.
Oof, it was close. I'm gonna die to poison in tower probably.
Well, this is why we don't chase the singed.
I didn't chase the Singe. The Singe chased.
I guess we go mid because there's no tower here anymore.
I think we just have this game. We just push, push, push.
Oh, my Kale died. Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming, Goo.
I'm fucking, I'm here, guy. I got you, man. Oh my god, I'm literally just CC chained. I fucking killed him though.
He died to that tower hit.
How the fuck did I die there?
Because
You see how much health I had way over
You
there?
can't disjoint auto attacks. This is League of Peasants. Dude,
Fucking bullshit. The Thresh is carrying. Fuck.
they're all here.
I think the worst game I've had is Katarina, but it doesn't even matter because I'm just gonna fucking win. I hope it looks like it.
No!
Guys, Bushcrank, what are you doing? You ignorant. Fuck. Alright, we need to do something because Kale's doing something.
I can't. I have to buy Thornmail and come back.
Don't be a pussy. I can't. There ain't no fucking way.
His fortune went back too. So Kale just dies for free. Kale ulted and blocked 0 damage.
See what I did to oh shit, that was motherfucker, I'm coming. It's just like trending me when I'm here you don't want to do anything. Fucking got you.
I'm hitting him.
Fucking hitting him.
Yeah.
Our ult's down so we could just keep going.
Maybe Gangplank will walk too far forward.
I mean, honestly, I just said let's go into tower.
Yeah, me too. Shit!
Like, they're giving this or they're dying for it.
Yeah.
It's their choice. Even now.
I'm tanking tower for a little bit. Okay. Now can you get
I'm
out?
I'm coming so much. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. I'm so glad you went right there.
Alright, I can
So I
get
can
out.
jump.
You just leave. You just leave. Leave
I will
faster.
pony.
Leave faster.
I'm doing the best I can. Katarina's
We are
really
almost
slow.
ready to turn around. You need to run too, Blitz. Bitch
I thought we
crank.
were turning around.
I thought we were too, but we don't have enough damage.
We are. We got this. We got this. Kale is here, man.
Yeah, your Kale does some damage. Wow, that looked like it hurt.
They're hollering dragon, and I'm like, towers! Towers! No, I mean, we can.
Yeah, I guess I can come smite it. You ever seen skill like this before?
Yeah, look at Milo Pawn.
Skill.
Yeah, we doing something about this? We doing something about this?
I don't think we are.
I mean, I'm leaving. You join her.
I have crit. I just realized I'm critting stuff.
Driving crit enemies. It's like,
I'm thinking about building an IE, but I don't really want to.
I wouldn't.
I will build a frozen mallet, though.
Today is a good day to die.
Today is a good day to die.
But doesn't that also make it a good day to live?
Protect the faithful.
No, I think he's saying the world sucks.
No. No, that's not it. Kale is literally just not giving a fuck right now. Which is gonna be so bad for her.
I need like a damn minute to take some of these buffs. You know?
No buffs for you.
No buffs from me.
Blue buff's gone. Yeah, their
Where-
blue buff's gone.
Go, go. What are you doing, Blitz?
We should just do
We're
it.
not all here.
Just do it.
Good day to
Yeah, if he goes, I'm gonna keep walking away. I have decided that now.
He's looking to pull. He's looking to pull.
I mean, pulling
Yeah,
doesn't make you win.
if he pulls, I might drop, depending on who he pulls.
find me greater foes.
I'm gonna go on the back line. I'm just going on the back line right now.
I'm just on the way.
Whatever it is, I'm going
right now.
for it.
I'm here.
Oh!
I'm fucking here. Oh wow, that.
Yeah, he.
actually
Like,
just
did you
made
see
me
where he
really
flashed?
sad.
Away from me,
How dare he?
right?
I had to flash to live though.
This guy's tanky.
That's Daggett. He looks really dead to me.
That guy is really fast, but Blitz has it.
Okay. Yeah, he does. He's just dead. No
I messed
choice.
up my combo.
You act like it matters.
It
Fucking dead.
it could have if we didn't have an AD carry there. Their AD carry's alive again.
I jumped on on his face. He was dead.
No quarter for the wicked.
We either do Baron or we try to siege. Baron's probably better.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
But
useless at Baron right
Singed
now.
is about to be alive. I think we're all useless at Baron.
Demacia.
I
I'm
really
gonna
want
be
some
a
of
little
this.
worse.
Get this creep off my fruit, bitch.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming for this. They're gonna try to fight this.
We can stop them. We have the technology.
For my father, the king.
It is fun.
This is bad. We're not winning this as hard as we were supposed to. Our carry
We're not
died.
winning this
Our
at
carry
all.
died too early, and you're not doing it.
I'm not doing it because I get flipped and I'm fucking fat.
Build it Zonias, you fuck.
I'm
What
trying.
is this build?
goddammit.
Dude, you probably got like 900 hit points. What is this build?
I've got 1,300.
You've even got those boots. Didn't we agree that those boots are shit?
What other boots am I gonna get right now?
Any fucking
Cooldown.
thing with more than 15 of a stat.
Let me get some cooldown. Hold on. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
dude.
right.
Like, even cooldown would be so much better. So much better.
It's too late. I've already left spawn. Boots are expensive and I'm not reselling.
Fucking stupid. Let's make sure we have this ready. In case they try and do it.
be brothers and sisters.
Yeah, no, we should have just won that, but we didn't.
There's a donkey in this bush.
There's a donkey. I'm just doing it, but nobody's helping me just do it on the only guy. So I just fucking lost.
I know. I got
But we
Kale
just
ulted me.
But we just fucking won. It doesn't matter.
I'm dying to this.
And you should probably just smite it.
I already did smite it. That's why I'm not dead to it.
Kale's like, I'm gonna go top lane.
Really? Really?
Yeah. I'm not going back. Oh my god, Blitzcrank's just trying to pull shit. Literally just trying to pull shit. Like, he had no follow up. He didn't have a bit of follow up there, but he pulled it anyway.
He was too busy trying to find out if he could. He didn't stop to think whether or not he should.
Just gonna pull her. Just gonna pull her. She ulted for that better than I.
No quarter for the wicked.
I'm taking the bus. I don't want to fight.
AFK texting.
Today is a good day to die.
Oh my god. I accidentally walked into a blowing up barrel.
Nice HP. Now you have 400. You actually literally do have 1400 hit points. That's so shit. They took a really shitty Drake. Oh no, they didn't. That was a good one.
That one's movement speed, isn't it? Movement speed. Oh shit, my nigga, what are you doing?
I don't know. Fuck.
I thought we were going bottom.
I'm adventuring.
Dude,
Okay.
I'm coming. I'm so sad.
I know you're sad. You should be. They're gonna flip you and they're gonna kill you, and you dead. You're so.
Oh my
sad.
god. I pressed R, but I did it too slow. Now they're just gonna lose because you're not there. This is miscommunication. Oh, Blitzcrank's actually gonna save her.
Are they gonna die to Singe? There's no way they lose to the
Oh,
Singe, right?
they're gonna
Double
die.
buff Singed,
They're
guys.
gonna die to Singe. Singe got hit with his weakness.
The master, now and forever.
Just like grouped and we win.
It's official. I'm going to get blue buff. It's not up, but I'm gonna go stand there. I need to get called out. Yo, Singe is just in our jungle.
Is he really?
Go deal with that. Yeah, I seen him in here.
Oh
Look.
my god.
Check it out.
Get this idiot! Blitzcrank, you fast. I'm fast. Get this idiot.
Blitzcrank's pretty fucking slow right now. I want to slow it. Oh, damn, it's such a waste of a slow right now.
Bro.
Oh my god, that just feels bad.
He takes damage like a motherfucker.
Does he? And he does damage like a motherfucker. Oh, Singe.
Dude, look at you don't have any fucking hit points. You have armor. Armor.
Yeah, I'm building a fucking Zonya's guy.
You're never gonna be useful. Shit.
Dude, I'm so useful. See how I killed him?
I ulted, smited, stunned him. Barely. If he had walked up, he wouldn't have gotten stunned at all. Like I would say I'm surprised that he didn't, but then I realize what I'm saying. I'm surprised a bronze player got himself killed. Blitz.
Oh my god. Blitz just keeps trying. We got her ult though.
She did ult.
That means he pulled her this time.
Stand with
That's what
me,
that
We
means.
got it.
and sisters.
Look, I baited
You
it.
need some help.
I baited it. That's hit like a motherfucking creep. I did so much damage to her. Alright, what do we do now?
Not this.
I'm not taking. I'm not taking dick.
Uh,
Oh, God. I got you, my guy.
he ulted to get away. I'm happy with that.
I'm not. He flashed. He's such a nigga. Just die, man. Oh, dodge.
Dodge.
I did what Master Piccolo taught me.
Today is a good day to die.
Oh, I thought she said she wanted it, though.
Well,
Whatever.
Blitz got it.
Blitz just got it. He's just gonna pull more. Oh, my testicles. Holy fuck, guys, we can do it. Guys, we can do it.
No, please don't.
No, we can do it.
My MMR is on the line. We need to do less. Oh, holy shit, there's a tower there.
No, we need to do more.
Why is there a tower there?
Because Kale didn't only win her lane, she had nobody in her lane.
That's right. Dude, I'm gonna give you armor. If the game goes on long enough, I'm gonna make you have armor.
Just gonna give you stats.
That's right.
Demacia, now forever.
Blitzcrank is beating the shit out of GB right now. I don't know. Ooh.
Bitch,
He actually is beating
do
the
you
shit out
know
of
who I am?
I have 55 for.
I have twice your farm.
I jungled more than you did.
I jungled more than you did.
I need so much help. I need so much help.
Why? What? Run away. If Misfortune would just hit him, it'd be okay. No, run away. Actually.
Because they were in their jungle.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Run faster,
They
bitch.
were in their jungle. Why are they in their jungle?
Okay, we should do something with this before, like, before that respawns. And
Oh
we don't
yeah,
have
dude, we
Baron or
should get
anything.
Baron.
Baron is up.
We should just get Baron.
Misfortune has red buff. Das is good.
I'll even get this.
Oh, we're gonna
Baron
go
buff if
Gangplank.
you guys get it.
With me, brother.
Bitch
Mhm.
blank.
Fuck Baron. There's a crank blank.
I'm not gonna have smite if. There we go.
I'm here. Almost. Oh shit, what are you doing? You're just going at it. Blitzcrank's trying to pull, then you're trying to Baron. Holy shit.
Got the shit too.
Substance. They want to get dragon. I want
No, they don't.
They were pinging dragon.
Somebody might have.
Blitzcrank's still trying to just pull it.
His pull is a little better than Thresh's pull.
I'm just watching, like I'm just fishing for these towers. Like I see you guys fighting, and I'm just kind of like, I could be a part of that. But that's what's just gonna. And I was like, that's what's gonna happen. And I just want this tower.
Me too.
Keep hitting that. Why are you being greedy right now?
Yeah, we should probably hit
You
this.
thought about it.
I thought we still had enough people alive to do it, to kill him too. I mean, who the hell wants to end when you could kill players and make them feel bad?
Nigga, I'm in my fucking series. You know what I'm
It's
saying?
about time. I've got some LP for once.
That's a rare,
It's
please.
like 5. I've got some LP to lose.